Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing the fourth and final element, which is air. And so this is the pretty minimalistic look that I did. I found this amazing top that is so close to what Aang wore towards the end of the series. And so yeah, I'm really excited. You can do this look in a breeze. Get it? And let's get started. So we are going to be doing an air-inspired look. I think I'm going to go in with one shade and kind of do something a little more unconventional. And I'm going to go into my Violet Voss Flamingo eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to go into the shimmery yellow shade, Pineapple. You can also do this with a gold shade. Anything will do. I'm sorry about my hair. I couldn't really recreate how the monks looked because I'm not gonna jump the shave my head bandwagon for this quarantine. I'm just gonna use a pencil brush, so my Clinique eye contour brush, and then I'm also going to be using some glitter primer to place where I really want the pigment to be impactful. I'm going to focus it on the inner corner and then drag it upwards to follow the crease and the eye socket. I kind of saw more of an honor and pride parallel between Zuko and Aang because of the expectations that were put on them because of their roles in life. I do want this to be more of a minimal look because monks don't really focus on the physical aspect of how they look, but I want to at least look like I'm awake. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. concealer brush, which is just a very small, very tiny, dense packer brush. And I'm going to go in with the glitter primer and try to finesse my way into doing something creative. I saw a pattern of freedom and fun when it comes to airbending. I think that it's really interesting that they get little bison pals for life. And I say bison, not bison, like some states do. Like bison with a Z. I don't know, it just seems wrong. We first encountered the southern air temple, which is where Aang is from. And then we also have the northern air temple, where they had all those man-made contraptions that manipulated the air to conquer the sky, kind of like how man-made airplanes helped man fly in the sky. There's also the eastern air temple, where the guru is from. Yeah, and then finally there's the western air temple, which is upside down off the cliff. And I think that it's really fitting because, you know, flying in the air, it really defies gravity. I think it's pretty fitting to talk about the destruction of mankind and empires and colonies because the air nomads were completely wiped out, or so they thought. And so, yeah, I think it's very reminiscent of history itself, American history, European history. Some ideals within Buddhism that I kind of saw throughout the show was how you need to focus on what you're doing in the now. That's kind of the mentality Aang has as well. He just has fun in the moment. A popular Buddhism ideal is to detach from worldly possessions because everything is temporary, and things that are temporary that you rely on will just cause suffering. This whole idea of a duty to the world for Aang as an avatar, that's pretty reminiscent to bodhisattvas in Buddhism. Bodhisattvas are people that have achieved enlightenment, but they do not cross over to nirvana because they vow to stay in the world that we're in right now to help other people attain enlightenment. I think what was kind of contradictory is the popular Buddhism belief of no self. So you don't have a soul, you don't have a spirit in a sense, but within Avatar, The Last Airbender, there is a spirit world. I think I'm going to clean it up with some eye primer. And then, of course, finish off with some mascara. This is the final look for the final element, air. You can finish it off with a gloss or a more yellow toned nude lip if you want. I might see you in the next series because I am currently watching Legend of Korra, so be on the lookout for that. Till the next video. See ya.